1995, and she was doing a heroine role, and the hero was Mr. Vijay, the star from Tamil industry now. That was her debut. And her father is Mr. Vijay Kumar, is a very senior artist. He is senior to Rajini sir, superstar. And his mom, her mom, Ramachandran sir, MGR, you know, she was also a heroine. So she's got a multi-talented person. She's a star kid. She's a actor. She's the director of this movie. Okay, and she's done the heroine role also for this movie. So and she's won the title of Cook with Komari. It's like a cooking show. It's a very from Nati TV.
Yeah, hi.
Welcome to Dubai.
Thank you. Sure. Actually, basically, I have a production company, Vanita Film Productions, which my father and mother started many years ago, and have produced films with Rajinikanth, with Shivaji Ganeshan, and all that. And I took over the banner, and my first production was MGR Shivaji Rajini Kamal. It was a film in Tamil, which was a big hit, and the songs were very big hits as well. And after a long hiatus, I was not acting at that time. I had taken a break from films for many years. So I came back into the film industry through Big Boss, Tamil Big Boss. So I was a contestant, a very popular contestant in Tamil Big Boss season 3. And after that, I came back into films acting. And my daughter also, Jovika, she started her career as a YouTuber. I have a YouTube channel which has 1 million subscribers. So she went to season 7 Tamil Big Boss, and she gained a lot of popularity, a lot of fans, and she is a acting diploma student from Anupam Kher's Actor Prepares, Mumbai. She wanted to enter into the film, so that is why I guided her in this. But she was very much like me, my earlier career days. She was also very interested in technical behind the scenes. So before entering into Big Boss, she was working with uh, actor, producer, and director R. Parthiban. You know Parthiban sir, right? He's a national award winner. So she was working with him as an AD for his film Teens. So she was very much interested in technical and production. So she came up, we were just talking about producing a film and making a film. So that time she came up with the idea that she not be in front of the camera, but wanted to be a part of the crew and do a production. So that is how this film started. And I think it's kind of early stages for me to reveal more about the film. But one thing I can promise you is it's something that has never been spoken about. A very mature love story, I would say. It's a marriage story. So, a topic that hasn't been touched in any Indian cinema, and age appropriate story as well. So, I think it'll be something new, and something that will be definitely relate to the audiences irrespective of the language, because the subject matter of the film is something that every man, every woman, and every family, husband and wife, will be able to relate to. So because see, we all have probably in some stage or the other, we know what is love. Could be adolescence, could be infatuation, could be a crush, could be a real love story that happened in our teenage or in our 20s. But staying in love is something that's very rare these days. So we are hearing so much about divorces and moving on, which which I'm not against as well, because I myself have gone through everything. But it's very beautiful to be staying in love, and that is what I have addressed in this film.
As an actor and director, a successful movie, what's important? Story, you can say dialogues, production, or direction. What's important?
Absolutely, the content, that is the storyline that has to relate to the audiences. Today, the audiences, what I know, what I understand as an audience as well is, um, if I want to watch a film, somewhere I should about having a star in the film, but more than the star, it is about the character that I can relate to. And that is why today Indian cinema is growing in a different way, where though there are star films, in Hindi especially, which I am seeing in the recent days, it's very, the content is very, very different from what the films used to be. It's become very commercial and, it is very superficial, to be very honest. I think South Indian films have more content, very strong storyline, and very, very strong performers as well. So when I see Hindi films, which I used to love at once upon a time, today I really feel in Hindi cinema a lot of things have changed, and I don't know what is happening. But I think that as an audience, when I watch a film, I want to see somebody that I can relate to for that character. And that is what is happening in Malayalam cinema and Tamil and Kannada. Telugu is a little superficial again, but what to do? Pushpa 2 is the collecting the, cash cow. So no comments on that. But I think, yeah, definitely the storyline and content and performances and music definitely matter.
Your point. Actually, I was studying about your nice career you did as a producer, as a director, and as an actor. So, which field you find more workable or more good for you and more professional?
Everything.
As a producer, as a director, and an actor.
Everything that gives me challenges is something that probably drives me towards. I've never been a person, I've become a person rather, that I enjoy being in a very uncomfortable zone. So I try to break my barriers. And I think acting itself, career is a very challenging career. And once I came back into the industry, it has been very, very challenging for me in the past. I think I'm back in the industry 4 years now. Started acting films, and films are in the making, released, upcoming for release. So many projects. More than 30 films I've completed in the past almost 4 years, which is something that I never expected that will happen at this stage of my life. And direction department was something very, very interesting for me as a youngster when I started my career. In fact, I didn't do much films as an actor because I was more interested behind the scenes. So I worked with director P. Vasu. For around 10 films I worked with him. In fact, one Hindi film also, Hogi Pyar Ki Jeet, Ajay Devgan, P. Vasu. So I worked in that film as well. So it always attracted me, the creative content and dialogue writing, and director P. Vasu was such a strong, charismatic personality. I could see a captain of the ship, a director, which really attracted me towards this position called director, because I found so much of power in a director. That power is something that really attracted me long, long ago. And I've been in different fields, and my
Who is
life.
your favorite director?
Favorite director, many favorite directors, I mean, like, obviously my guru, where I learnt cinema, anything about cinema, including acting, because I think before director P. Vasu, I was a very amateur